Hello kids! Welcome to Tiny Tots Kids TV. Let's embark on an exciting journey to learn about vehicles.
Get ready to discover names of different vehicles we see everywhere. Are you excited? Let's go!
First is the police car.
The police car keeps us safe and rushes to emergencies.
This is a SWAT van.
A SWAT van helps special police teams reach dangerous places quickly. It's strong, fast, and built to keep the officers.
This is the water rescue truck. The water rescue truck works in floods. It helps people trapped in deep water.
This is a tow truck.
The tow truck helps cars that stop on the road. It lifts and pulls broken cars to safety. This is a snowplow truck.
The snowplow clears roads in winter. It pushes snow away so cars can move.
This is a police helicopter.
Police helicopter flies high in the sky to help officers watch a city, find missing people, and catch suspects quickly. Next is a rescue helicopter.
The rescue helicopter flies high in the sky. It finds people in mountains, forests, and oceans.
This is a rescue submarine.
The rescue submarine works under the sea. It helps divers and people in underwater accidents.
This is the mountain rescue helicopter. This helicopter helps people lost in the mountains. It flies above cliffs and snowy paths. This is the lifeguard jet ski.
The lifeguard jet ski moves fast on water. It rescues swimmers in danger.
This is an icebreaker ship.
The icebreaker ship clears frozen seas. It helps other ships move safely. The crew keeps the path open in icy waters.
Next is the garbage truck.
Let's look at the garbage truck, which collects trash to keep our cities clean.
This is a highway patrol car. The highway patrol car keeps traffic safe. It checks on drivers and helps in the event of an accident. This is a forest fire truck.
The forest fire truck stops fires in forests. It sprays water to protect animals and trees.
Now we have the fire truck. Firefighters use a fire truck to put out fires. This is an airport fire truck. The airport fire truck is very big and strong. It puts out fires near airplanes.
This is a disaster relief truck.
The disaster relief truck brings food and help after storms. It goes to villages and towns in need.
Now we see a Coast Guard boat. The Coast Guard boat works on the sea. It helps people during storms and big waves and keeps everyone safe in water emergencies.
Now we have an ambulance.
The ambulance moves very fast, taking sick or injured people to the hospital.
This is an animal rescue van.
The animal rescue van helps lost or hurt animals. It brings them to safe places.
This is an air ambulance.
The air ambulance flies fast over the land. It carries sick or hurt people to the hospital quickly. Next is ice cream truck.
The ice cream truck plays music and sells delightful treats to kids.
One chocolate car, please.
We have the city bus.
The city bus, which carries many passengers around town.
Next is double-decker bus.
The double-decker bus has 2 floors for even more passengers.
Next, we have a van. A van can carry many people or things, making it useful for families and businesses alike. Next, we have a Jeep. Jeep is great for rough and bumpy roads. Now we have a tractors.
Farmers use a tractor to work on fields. The tractor's powerful engine and tools help prepare the soil for planting.
Next, we have a truck. Truck carries heavy loads from one place to another.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and learning videos.